Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a torch. So you're going to need the following items: an empty soda can, a piece of wire, a cotton cloth, some oil, a stick to put your can on, and then that's what you're going to need. So you're going to take your stick and your can. You're going to put them up on each other like this. You're going to take your wire and put it around. And then you're going to tighten your wire down onto it. So you got your wire. And you're just going to want to twist it. Okay, so once you got that can on there, finally got twisted on, but once you got that can on there, you're going to want to take your oil and put it in the can. Okay, so take this, take some oil, fill it up partially with some oil. So that's plenty, okay. Don't think it really matters how much you fill it up with oil. I just filled it like quarter to halfway up. So then I got my rag right here. And then we're just gonna want to soak that in the oil. So you're gonna want your rag mostly soaked with oil. And then you push it back down there. So now you're gonna take another piece of wire and put it on that rag so that the rag doesn't fall back down into the soda can. First, gonna take the soda can, wrap this around it one time, pull it around. Okay, now you got your torch. Now we're gonna go try and light the torch and show you a video of that. Oh yeah, so you got this wire right here. You can cut that off. Just take some cutters and go. And you got your torch. Let's go try it out. Okay, so we got the lamp right here. And now we're just gonna light it. There you go. You got yourself a lamp. A couple minutes afterwards, but now it's starting to light up. Probably get bigger as it goes on. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.